need to disable two-factor authentication on your BingX account? In 2026, the process is straightforward. But remember, turning off 2FA reduces your account security, especially for withdrawals and login protection. Open the BingX official website and sign in to your account. Next, tap your profile icon and go to Security Settings or Account Security. Find two-factor authentication. Depending on your setup, this may be linked to an authenticator app, SMS verification, or email verification. Select Disable, Remove, or Turn off 2FA. For security response, BingX will usually ask you to verify your identity using your current 2FA code, email verification code, SMS code, or identity verification process. Once confirmed, two-factor authentication will be removed from your account. If you lost access to your authenticator app or phone, you may need to contact BingX support and complete an account recovery process before disabling 2FA. For account protection, consider enabling another security method such as a passkey, phone verification, or biometric login if you decide to disable 2FA. And that's how you can disable 2FA on BingX in 2026. Always consider the security risks before turning it off. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto security guides.